In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect form respondents to an external link in Jotform cards. This is a useful feature if you want to take your respondents to a custom website or thank you page right after they've completed your form. Let's dive into the process step by step, and by the end you'll be able to seamlessly redirect your form entries to any URL you choose. First, you'll need to head over to jotform.com and log in using your credentials. It's important to ensure you have access to the account where your forms are stored. Once you've logged in, navigate to the My Forms section on your Jotform dashboard. This area displays all the forms you've created and is where you'll choose the specific form you want to modify for this task. After selecting the form you wish to customize, open it in the Jotform card form builder. At the top you'll see a navigation bar. From here, locate the settings option. This is where you'll be able to adjust various configurations for your form, and in this case prepare it for a redirect. Inside the settings menu you'll notice an option called Thank You Page. This is the area that controls what happens after a respondent completes your form. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new menu specifically tailored for Thank You Page settings. Within this menu there's an option labelled Redirect to an external link after submission. Selecting this option will allow you to input a URL where users will be automatically directed post-submission. It's crucial here to be accurate with your link to ensure a smooth transition for form users. In the provided field, type or paste the complete URL of the page you want respondents to go to, making certain to include the HTTP or HTTP prefix. This detail is vital as it ensures that the URL is correctly recognized and functional. Once you've entered your desired URL, look for the Save or Apply button. This button will confirm the changes you've made and enable the redirect feature, ensuring that every time someone submits your form, they are taken directly to your specified link. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up your Jotform to redirect form respondents to an external site. Whether you're directing users to a detailed thank you page, a promotional offer, or additional resources, this feature enhances the continuity and overall engagement of your form. It's a fantastic way to provide more value and information to your audience immediately after they've interacted with your form.